Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So this princess, means daughter of Manu, she began to serve Kardama Muni. And in the yoga ashram it was a cottage, and there was no good food, no maid servant, nothing of this sort. So became gradually very lean and thin. And she was very beautiful, king's daughter. So Kardama Muni thought that her father gave me, and she is becoming deteriorated in her health, in her beauty. So as husband I have got to do something for her. So by yoga power, he constructed a big city aeroplane. That is yogic power. Not 747. It's such a big city. There was lake, there was garden, there was maid servant, big palaces, and the whole thing was floating in the sky, and he made her see all the different planets. In this way, that is stated in the 4th chapter, you can read it. So as a yogi, he satisfied her in every respect. Then she wanted children. So Kardama Muni begot in her 9 daughters and 1 son, with the promise that as soon as you get your children, then I will go. I am not going to live forever with you. So she agreed. So after getting the children, out of which this Kapildev was one, the son, and when he was grown up, he also said, my dear mother, my father has left home. I'll also leave home. If you want to take some instruction from me, you can take, then I shall go on. So before going away, he is giving instruction to his mother. Now, this Devavati's position is a perfect woman. She got good father, she got good husband, and she got excellent son. So woman has got 3 stages in life. Man has got 10 stages. So these 3 stages is mean that when she is younger, she must live under the protection of father. Just like Devavati, when she was grown up, young, she proposed her father that I want to marry that gentleman, that yogi. And the father also offered. So long she was not married, she remained under the protection of the father. And when she was married, she remained with the yogi husband, and she was troubled in so many ways because she was princess, daughter of king, and this yogi, he was in a cottage, no food, no shelter, nothing of this sort. So she had to suffer. She never said that I am king's daughter, I was raised in so opulent condition of life, now I have got a husband who can give me a nice apartment, nice food, divorce. No, that was never done. That is not the position. Anyway, my husband, whatever he may be, because I have accepted some gentleman as my husband, I must look to his comfort, and whatever his position, it doesn't matter. This is the duty of the woman. But that is Vedic instruction. Nowadays, as soon as there is little discrepancy, disagreement, a divorce, find out another husband. No, she remained. And then she got the nicest child, personality of God, Kapila. So this is the 3 stages. Woman should aspire First of all, by his karma, one is given the place under a suitable father, and then under suitable husband, and then produce a nice child like Kapil Dev.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,